I've been diving into the timeline of volcanic eruptions from 1500 to 2025. It's fascinating to see how these natural events have shaped our planet. In 1600, the eruption of Huayna Putina in Peru changed the climate for years. Fast forward to 1883, when Krakatoa erupted, creating massive tsunamis and global cooling. Then there's Mount St. Helens in 1980, a reminder of nature's power right in the US. In 1991, Pinatubo erupted, causing the largest eruption of the 20th century. And who could forget the 2010 Eyjafjallajökull eruption in Iceland, which disrupted air travel worldwide. As we look ahead to 2025, scientists are monitoring several active volcanoes closely. Each eruption tells a story of our Earth's dynamic history.